3, 2, 1.
Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to do an unboxing and review of AGARO handheld vacuum cleaner which I recently purchased online. So without wasting any more time, let's see what and all is in the packet. In the front side, when you can see there is the brand name handheld vacuum cleaner and the model is Regal or Regal, and in the other side you can see that there's a picture of the device and some specs they have given: lightweight and compact, portable and durable. So the power is 800 watts, so it uses 800 watts for making the product work, and it is dry use. There are two types of vacuum cleaners which come dry and moist or wet. So this can only be used in dry. You can't wet the floor or something and use it. It's not made for that. It's only for dry, like dusting. There is anywhere dust is there, you have to vacuum the dust, sofas, bed and all, you can use it. And there is 1 year warranty they have given. The downside, nothing is there. In the side, they have again given the brand name, low noise monitor, lightweight compact, auto shut off is also there. We'll see what it is. In the box you can see there's a main unit which is the vacuum cleaner, multi-purpose brush. They have given one crevice nozzle. Crevice means there will be like thin areas where you can use that nozzle. Then flexible hose is given and extender. In the other side, they have given specifications. Again, the power is 100 watts, voltage 230, 220, 230. Normally in our households you will get that one only. Cord length is 5 meters, so they have given 5 meter length for the cord. Dust capacity is 0.8 liter, so almost 1 liter or 0.8 liters, 800 milliliters you can collect the dust. So weight is 2.8 kgs, and the MRP here they have given is 3000 rupees, but I got it around 1600 rupees. So down they have again given to extend warranty, there's a QR code and all. That's it. On the back side the same thing they have given. So now without wasting any more time, let's unbox the product. So after unboxing, the first thing which I have seen is the hose. I think this is the hose which they are telling. I also doesn't know much about this. I think maybe this is the crevice nozzle which they are telling. See, this is the crevice nozzle, which I think you can fix it like this, and this will go to the head of the vacuum cleaner, I feel. So this is the crevice nozzle which they were talking about. See, crevice, thin areas you can use it, and just like you can, it's the crevice nozzle, you can use it in the thin areas to dust it. So the crevice nozzle and the hose, I'll keep it to the side. The next thing which you can see, they have given a user manual. The book they have given, it explains how to do the things and how to connect the things. They keep it aside. The next thing which you can see, they have given a brush. It is for dusting the areas. I think this also you'll be able to connect to that hose adapter. The next thing, one more accessory they have given. This is also another adapter for some purpose they have given. I'll keep this also aside. The next thing which we can see is the main product, which is the vacuum cleaner. So we'll check, I'll remove it and check anything else we can find in the box. Okay, there's nothing, so I'll keep this aside. Now we'll take a look at the vacuum cleaner itself. So they have given 5 meters of wire, and they have given a protective casing also. So after removing the protective cover, this is how the product looks like. So this is the front side where the opening is there, and this is the press switch, I think, which we can remove the front side. Okay, you can see that they have given a filter which you can clean. So from here it sucks the dust and it filters the air and comes from here. So here I think they will collect the waste. Yeah, that is a place where it collects the waste. See, there will flap also, you can see they have given. And in the front you can see they have given a small foam so that the dust doesn't go inside the machineries or the motor which takes in the air. So connecting it back, I think just you have to press it like this and just connect. It's so easy. And here you can see that there is a rubber washer they have given so that no air leaks from that. So, and this is the on off switch, I guess. Now we'll take a look at the adapters and how to connect those. So as much as I think this is the main hose which connects to the main body. So yeah, that time we are thinking what is this thing. So this is the adapter or the connector which connects to the head of the vacuum cleaner like this, and after that this get connected here. See, it's like this. Yeah. So now the remaining adapters you can connect here. This is the crevice adapter like they told. Then one more adapter they have given. I'll open it up. This is the other adapter. So I think for connecting it you can remove it like this and you can connect it like this. And this can be used for dusting sofas or anything like this where a brushy kind of thing is there. It can vacuum the dust from there. So for the time being I'm removing this thing from this. Now let me untangle the wire. Now we'll see how it works. So the first time I'm going to turn it on. Oh, it's so strong. You can see the power of it. I'll just keep it and turn it on. When I turn it on, it just, because of the torque of the motor, it just turns to one side. See? So that much powerful motor it is using by the look of it. So we'll see. I'll turn it on. Actually the suction power is really good. It is really, I never expected a mini vacuum cleaner can have this much strength. So for showing you guys the power of it suction, I'll just do one thing. I'll take a tissue paper and I'll just put little by little this kind of things here, okay? But I don't think this nozzle will work that much, because for this purpose I think we have to connect the other nozzle, that brush kind of. So I'll just put it like this, but I'll just take a look how it works in this also. So I'm just turning it on. As you guys can see, it easily took all of it inside. Okay. See, I'll just take a look in this and see. Just a big piece of paper I have put it here, two big pieces of paper. Let me see how easily it pulls it on. Again, I'll turn it on. Oh my god. Now I'll try with a bit more big paper. I never thought I'll try this much big. But I'll just try to do with this much big paper one more time. Just turn it on and see how it works. With this only you can see how much strength this vacuum cleaner has, and compared to a normal vacuum cleaner, the noise which is making is really less, how much ever I feel. So that is how the suction comes from here and the ventilation is from here. See? From here the air goes back. And for opening it, so once I have dusted it, I want to open and clear this thing. So I'll just open it, go outside, and I will just dust it. And for dusting, you can just remove it like this, I guess. Yeah, I can just remove it like this. Remove all the dust and you can put it back again. So it's as simple as that. So one more time, I will take all the dust inside. So 3, 2, 1. So that's it guys. I hope you guys liked the video and it helped you guys to know more about this product. And any doubt about this product, you can always comment down in the comment section below and I'll try to reply to as soon as possible. If you like it, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.